folks, I've come to a place I've been coming all my life, but for some strange reason now they blocked it off. So you can't do a U-turn now. So I gotta reverse about half a mile, but I'm here, so I'm gonna fucking do it. Why they've blocked it off is because of course, fly tipping. The wonderful fly tipping, people. So, been fishing here nearly all my life, up on the tarmac there, which you'll see now in a minute. And it's called a black pipe because you'll see a long thing over there. Right, we're gonna see what happens. What am I doing now? We're taking off, Rob. Okay. Let's take it off to about there so I can get my bearings and see which way is the best way to. I can't see much, so is it recording? Yeah, it says it is. I'll take you up over the wall now. That there is the fishing lakes. So we'll just generally have a fly around. There's a little beach down there called Pebble Beach. A bit further, yeah. And that's where I used to take the kids. And I used to love it there. I used to love it there. Oh, there somewhere. There it is. Do you mind if I sit down? That's the trailer park. Coming home on its own. I didn't. You get so far, and like it goes into a panic, and it's coming home on its own. So tap the cancel. I can't see fucking nothing. That's not water, put it that way. Right. Well, that was the easy part. Now we got to reverse down there. At least they put a gate by here for us. Come on, shit. Jump in there, mate. Let's get the fuck out of here. Good boy. As you see, nowhere to U-turn. I don't know why, you know. Used to come down here and you find fucking piles and piles of fucking rubbish dumped everywhere. I can't turn around like normal people. Okay, here we go. Just tell me if I crash. Oh, you wouldn't want to fucking go down, would you? The last time I come here, you couldn't get down there. It was all covered over. So looking at the floor and whatever, somebody has, oh, I don't like that, somebody has tidied it up a bit and cut back. Obviously these people must be still fucking pissed off at people doing this every half hour, but that's their fucking fault, not mine. If you want to live down here, there's one house behind me. There's only one house this far down. I'm hoping these give us access to turn around. As I said, I've been coming here all my life, so it's only recently this has been blocked off. Just goes to show the times are changing. Times they are a-changing. Come gather around, people, wherever you roam, and admit that around you the valley is grown. Try not to hit this car. Right, try. We there yet? Be a 55 point fucking turbo out of it. We got a 60 fucking 2 point. The thing is, I always try and get these like little private places to fly because I don't like anybody to know I'm there. I like to stay invisible.